Hello there, it's Emma here. Welcome back to Geeksta Tips for another tutorial. If you are having a problem with the iPhone lock to owner message, or also known as the iCloud activation lock, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you all the possible way to remove that iCloud activation lock. These methods are working on all Apple products, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. I know that you've tried so many software and unlocking services, but I am sure that none of that works. Well, you're not alone. Some of these services also didn't work on my device. It just cost me dollars, but no guarantee that it will work. But what if I told you that there's a better way to bypass iCloud-locked? A method that's safer, faster, and best of all, completely free. That's right. This method is free and also tried and tested and consistently working on removing permanent iCloud-locked devices, and it always works every time I try it. So please stay until the end of the video and I will show you this excellent solution. Are you ready? Let's do it! Just a reminder, this tutorial is intended for those who own a device but need help because they forgot their login credentials. We don't tolerate illegal activities that allow unlocking stolen devices. Let's keep to legal actions and respect the rights of everyone. All of our videos comply on YouTube's terms and conditions. Have you got it? Now, let's begin. Before starting, ensure the iPhone is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Now, grab any other device that have browser and can access the internet. Open a browser and go to unlockgeek.com. Once the website loads, you'll see multiple unlocking tools. Since we want to bypass the iCloud activation lock, click the Activation Lock option by hitting the Access Here button. Now, let's fill in the details for the iPhone you want to unlock. We're gonna the IMEI number of the locked device and use it on the unlocking tool. If you don't know how to get your IMEI, click this iOS tutorial button. After you got your IMEI, let's enter it here. Make sure you enter the correct IMEI number to avoid any issues during the unlocking process. Once you've entered the IMEI, choose the iOS device option here. Now click the Unlock button to start the iCloud unlocking process. Sit back and relax while the tool is processing your unlocking request. This might take a few moments. Once the process is complete, let's switch back to the iPhone to see if it's unlocked. Let's restart the device to see if the unlocking process works. If everything went smoothly, you should no longer see the iPhone lock to owner message, and the device will allow you to proceed to the home screen. Congratulations! Your iPhone is now free from the iCloud activation lock and ready to use. Tried the method, but it didn't work? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We're giving away 300 unlocks each week to our subscribers. It's easy to participate, like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment with your device model. In the comment, make sure to include your device model, IMEI number, and your country. After completing the steps, your entry will be added to the weekly free unlocks. Remember to provide the correct information to avoid any issues. Good luck! Thank you for checking out today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like it and hit subscribe to get more tutorials and tech guides. Click the notification bell to keep updated on my upcoming uploads. Feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome!